top story is there is a 600 million shilling loot that a wheeler dealer in River Road has been embroiled in, and he was to supply valves worth 600 million. He was paid 450 million before delivering a single valve. So the story is quite interesting because it shows you the level of tenderpreneurs we have in the country. And of course, this comes at a time when people have accused the government of, should I say, insider trading, where people are able to get tenders because of connections here and there. And it's quite a sad state where you imagine, Mike, 235 million was carried by, guess what, Mkokoteni, from National Bank to this guy's office. So, I mean, that's one of the big stories in the Daily Nation. I mean, it's a powerful story that just paints a picture of what's happening in society. I don't know if you have a reaction to that.
Well, I'm not sure how to react to that. And of course, we thought that Kavura carrying money in, was it gunny bags and sacks, was ridiculous. But now I think we need to be checking our Mkokotenis. Kasina, what do you think of this being your country?
I mean, the level of impunity in this country is just going to a level high. This is just sad. Sad, sad, sad.
I know you're in business. It looks like you need to maybe consider becoming an entrepreneur.
I think, yeah, I'm not in the wrong profession, but I think I would double as an entrepreneur at this rate because it looks very lucrative to be an entrepreneur in this country. Yeah.
All right.